Did you know that both Presidents Biden and Trump have a secret tip for regrowing hair? Yes, you heard that right. Amidst the power plays and policy debates, there's an often overlooked yet crucial battleground: fight against hair loss. For Presidents Joe Biden and Donald Trump, their hair isn't just a personal concern. It's a strategic asset in the game of public perception. From thinning locks to hair-raising procedures, let's dive into how these leaders have turned their tresses into a political statement, proving that in politics, even the strands on your head can sway the balance of power.
Hair is often seen as a reflection of vitality and youth, for public figures play a crucial role in how they are perceived by the electorate. Studies show that individuals with a full head of hair are often viewed as more attractive, confident, and capable. In the realm of politics, where first impressions can make or break a campaign, the pressure to maintain a polished appearance is immense. For Biden and Trump, their hair restoration journeys highlight how deeply intertwined personal appearance is with public perception. As they navigated their political careers, both men faced the inevitable reality of aging and hair loss, leading them to seek out various solutions to maintain their images. Joe Biden's hair has undergone significant changes over the years, with many speculating about the procedures he has utilized to combat hair loss. Biden's hair loss began to manifest in his late 20s, with noticeable thinning by the time he entered the Senate in 1973. Photographs from that era reveal a young politician with a receding hairline, often styled in a way to maximize coverage. This early intervention suggests that Biden was acutely aware of the importance of maintaining his appearance even at a young age. To address his hair loss, Biden likely underwent several hair restoration procedures that reflect the evolving techniques in the field of hair transplantation.
First method Biden likely utilized is follicular unit transplantation. This technique involves removing a strip of hair-bearing skin from the back of the head, which is then dissected into individual follicular units for implantation in thinning areas. Follicular unit transplantation was particularly popular during Biden's early career in the 1970s and 1980s. At that time, the technology was less advanced, and the results often featured larger grafts, which could lead to a more noticeable and unnatural appearance, commonly referred to as hair plugs. Biden's early procedures may have resulted in the classic symptoms of this technique, characterized by a somewhat artificial look. However, this method allowed for significant coverage of thinning areas, which Biden needed, faced increasing public scrutiny during his rise in politics. As he transitioned into the role of vice president in 2008, it became crucial for him to maintain a presentable appearance, especially under the constant media spotlight.
As technology advanced, Biden may have opted for follicular unit extraction, a more modern and less invasive method. Follicular unit extraction allows for the extraction of individual hair follicles from the donor area without the need for a linear scar, which is a significant advantage for public figures like Biden who wish to keep their hair restoration efforts discreet. This technique became more prevalent in the early 2000s and is known for providing a more natural appearance. Follicular unit extraction minimizes scarring and allows for greater flexibility in harvesting hair, making it an ideal choice for someone in Biden's position. By utilizing follicular unit extraction, Biden could have achieved a more refined hairline and improved density in thinning areas, which would be less detectable to the public eye. In addition to these surgical options, some experts speculate that Biden might have used scalp micropigmentation to enhance the appearance of density in his hair. This technique involves tattooing tiny dots on the scalp to mimic the look of hair follicles, effectively creating the illusion of a fuller head of hair. Scalp micropigmentation can be particularly beneficial for individuals with thinning hair, as it helps to camouflage the scalp and create a more uniform appearance.
This method complements surgical interventions by providing an additional layer of density, especially in areas where hair may may be sparse. For Biden, who has maintained a relatively youthful appearance throughout his political career, incorporating scalp micropigmentation could have been a strategic choice to enhance the results of his previous hair restoration procedures. To add to surgical interventions, Biden likely utilized FDA-approved medications such as minoxidil and finasteride. These treatments can slow hair loss and promote regrowth, contributing to the overall health of his hair. Given his public stature, it is plausible that Biden has access to advanced treatments, including stem cell therapies, which are becoming more mainstream in hair restoration.
Biden's hair restoration journey reflects broader societal attitudes towards appearance and self-image. Many argue that maintaining a youthful appearance can enhance confidence and leadership qualities. For Biden, his hair has become a symbol of resilience and adaptability, traits that resonate with voters. In contrast, Donald Trump's hair has become a cultural phenomenon, characterized by its unique style and the speculation surrounding its maintenance. Trump's hairstyle, often described as a comb-over, has been the subject of extensive discussion and scrutiny. Known for its distinctive appearance, Trump's hair has led many to wonder about the procedures he may have undergone to maintain it. One of the older methods believed to have been used by Trump is scalp reduction, a surgical procedure that removes bald areas of the scalp and pulls the surrounding hair-bearing skin closer together. While effective in the short term, this technique creates scars where the bald skin was excised, which can become more noticeable as hair loss progresses. Another rumored procedure in Trump's hair restoration journey is rotational flap surgery, where a section of hair-bearing skin from the back or side of the head is rotated to the front to create a new hairline. This technique can provide immediate coverage for balding areas, but may result in unnatural hair direction and visible scarring at the hairline. Trump's hairstyle suggests that the results of these procedures may not have fully addressed his hair loss concerns. Trump is known to use various hair products to achieve his signature look, likely employing volumizing sprays or fibers to enhance the appearance of thickness and coverage. These products help camouflage sparse areas and create an illusion of density. Trump's distinctive comb-over is a strategic styling choice that conceals any scars and thinning areas, allowing him to maintain a polished appearance while inviting scrutiny and speculation about the authenticity of his look. Trump's hairstyle is meticulously styled to maximize volume and coverage, contributing to the overall impression of a full head of hair. His approach emphasizes the importance of styling techniques in creating a favorable public image. The hair restoration journeys of Biden and Trump highlight the societal pressures surrounding appearance, particularly in the political arena. Both presidents are part of a larger trend where public figures openly discuss their experiences with hair restoration. This growing acceptance of cosmetic procedures allows individuals to feel empowered in making choices about their appearance. For many individuals, hair restoration is not merely about aesthetics. It can significantly impact self-esteem and confidence. Biden's and Trump's decisions to address their hair loss reflect a desire to project an image of vitality and competence, qualities that are crucial in leadership roles. The hair restoration journeys of Presidents Joe Biden and Donald Trump provide insight into the evolving landscape of cosmetic procedures and the societal emphasis on appearance. Biden's likely use of advanced hair transplant techniques and medications contrasts with Trump's more traditional methods, showcasing the diversity of approaches to hair restoration. As public figures, both presidents have navigated the complexities of maintaining their appearances while also addressing the broader implications of self-image in politics. Their experiences serve as a reminder that, regardless of status, individuals can make personal choices about their appearance that resonate with their identities and public personas. As technology continues to advance, the future of hair restoration will likely evolve, offering new possibilities for those seeking to enhance their appearance and confidence. Ultimately, the stories of these two presidents illustrate that hair, while seemingly superficial, plays a significant role in shaping identity and influencing how we are perceived by others. And there you have it, the surprising intersection of hair and politics. From Joe Biden's hair restoration to Donald Trump's iconic comb-over, we've seen how leaders manage their public image strand by strand. If you enjoyed this dive into political grooming, like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing content. Share your thoughts. Does hair really influence politics? Thanks for watching, and until the next one,